Hello my foodies, Nelly again with another episode of Beauty and Food. So right now we're at this place called Kuih Keria Antara Bangsa and Laksa Hajaraka. So what they sell here is donuts but a Malay take to it and also laksa. So let's go check it out. So my donut is here, but it's not actually donut, it's called Kuih Keria, but it's easier for me to call it a donut. So compared to a run-of-the-mill donut, it's a lot smaller. I'm comparing it to my eye, it's definitely a lot smaller, but it smells amazing, it's still pretty hot, and there's, what can I say, there's like a layer of icing sugar, I'm assuming, on top, and it feels really crispy, so I'm just gonna dig in. Okay, they didn't tell me this, but I think I'm getting a bit of sweet potato in there. But this is really good. The skin cracks, like it literally cracks. I don't think you guys can hear this, but if I try to, can you guys hear that? It cracked. It's really nice. The thing is, the skin is really sweet, but the starchy consistency inside the sweet potato kind of balances out. So when you bite it, it's like a first bite of sweetness and then this mix of sweet potato and everything. It's amazing, guys. So I would definitely recommend you guys to come here. I'm sorry, I keep breaking it because the crack is so satisfying. But do drop by, try this. I give this a 10 out of 10. It's amazing. Please, please. So now I'm just gonna give another 5 minutes and wait for my laksa. See you guys in a few.